Welcome to Doubletree by Hilton Fort Myers at Bell Tower Shops, where your journey of comfort and convenience begins. Scan the QR code on your screen or find the link in the description to secure your reservation and begin planning your escape. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Fort Myers, this stylish hotel offers a seamless blend of modern design and warm hospitality, promising a truly memorable stay. Imagine yourself stepping into meticulously appointed rooms, each one designed to be your personal sanctuary, ensuring a restful and rejuvenating experience. Indulge in complimentary premium Wi-Fi, allowing you to effortlessly stay connected or simply unwind and enjoy the tranquility. As a guest, you'll have effortless access to the bustling Bell Tower Shops, a premier destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment, right at your doorstep. The hotel bar provides the perfect setting to unwind, whether you're seeking a refreshing cocktail or socializing with friends. Enjoy expertly crafted drinks and attentive service in a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere. Wake up each morning to a delicious breakfast, fueling your day with energy and delight. Families are warmly welcomed, with children aged 1 to 17 staying free of charge, making this an ideal choice for a memorable family vacation. Check-in begins at 4 p.m., allowing ample time to settle in and explore, while a relaxed checkout at 11 a.m. ensures a smooth departure. Discover unparalleled comfort, exceptional service, and a truly unforgettable experience. Don't delay, your escape awaits. Book now by scanning the QR code on your screen or clicking the link in the description. We eagerly await your arrival at the Doubletree by Hilton Fort Myers at Bell Tower Shops.